Before machines touch anything, the work begins here. Every unit starts as raw weight pulled from living trees. One mistake here can crush bone.
Volume matters more than comfort.
A harvest enters the system. From field to factory, nothing slows down.
Tonnage decides today's production limits.
Not all raw material survives inspection. Once inside, there is no turning back. This is where food becomes product. All sources are forced into one direction.
Gravity does the unloading.
Tens of tons move without pause.
There is no manual control anymore. The factory is built around falling weight. Every belt is designed to survive abuse.
Even plants carry contamination.
Anything suspicious is sacrificed.
This is the last car moment. 52, 53.
The plant begins consuming raw matter. This building was built to dominate volume.
Nothing enters without being counted.
The outside world ends here.
Scale becomes impossible to ignore. Everything here is oversized on purpose. Temperature control begins early. Once sealed, nothing escapes. The environment is now controlled. Cleaning is unavoidable now.
Every jackfruit must be stripped of the outside world.
Nothing organic survives this stage. Mechanical friction replaces human hands. Clean enough to be judged.
Defects still hide in plain sight.
Bad jackfruit is removed without mercy. Mass determines processing priority. Uniformity is enforced by steel.
Order is created before violence. The jackfruit's shape is about to be destroyed.
This is where the jackfruit stops being whole.
The jackfruit is now reduced to raw sections. Steel defines the jackfruit's new shape.
Even chaos is mechanically organized.
This is where texture is born. The jackfruit is no longer recognizable. Heat rewrites the jackfruit's structure.
Density is forced into the jackfruit.
The jackfruit now imitates muscle fiber. The jackfruit waits for its final identity. The jackfruit is handed over to automation. Machines decide the jackfruit's thickness. Precision replaces judgment. Even jackfruit is not trusted. Imperfection is mechanically erased. The jackfruit is forced to resemble meat.
Structure is locked into the jackfruit. Order is enforced again. Flavor replaces nature.
The jackfruit prepares for judgment. The jackfruit is exposed under unforgiving light.
Human hands still judge the jackfruit.
Even jackfruit is treated like contraband.
One slab halts the entire system.
The jackfruit is guilty until proven clean.
Packaging strength is part of food safety.
The jackfruit must pass invisible standards.
The jackfruit is cleared to leave.
The jackfruit resumes its journey. The jackfruit waits for its final form. Every jackfruit is encased for distribution. Traceability ensures every jackfruit can be tracked.
The jackfruit is boxed in precision.
Sealed to survive transport and storage. Scale is visible in stacked jackfruit crates. The jackfruit now waits for its journey beyond the plant. Every jackfruit is carefully dispatched.
Security ensures the jackfruit reaches its destination intact. The jackfruit is finally on its way to consumers.
And this is how modern factories produce jackfruit from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory stories.